we're about to get some more working on the Roadglide. We finished up yesterday with the wheels. We're about to go ahead and finish tearing off these parts, installing the new ones, just basically transforming it, getting all the stuff done. So you guys could be on the road with me and see it get into its new look. So stay tuned, we're about to get it in. So we're about to go ahead and get all this stuff sandblasted. We're taking these off, we're putting these floorboards on, then we're gonna sandblast these and get that new color on there. We're gonna install some of these washers. As soon as we finish getting the bars off, the last pieces, the bars, kickstand, and the shifter. We're gonna get that off, put the wheels on here, put the wheels on with the washers, give it a new look. So stay tuned, man. Let's get to it. Y'all can see, y'all see the fresh meat, man. Better stop playing, baby boy. It's nothing like that fresh meat with that fresh powder coat. And for the people who asking, yes, we do use the weights. That's how we do it out here in LA. Y'all do not want y'all bike speeding and then get the wobbling. Always get your wheels mounted in balance at the same time. Don't just get them mounted without the balance. It's gonna throw you off. You don't want that. So a lot of people be seeing me switch the rotor on some of these wheels I be having. Like when I did these, I took them off the wheels I had already in here that came off that bike. So basically the thing about it is certain wheels require certain rotors. And really it's like the aftermarket rims that people gotta go and reach out and get other rotors for. So I'm gonna try to break it down for y'all. So you see on this front PM rim, this PM rim have a front PM diamond cut rotor to match. So that goes perfect with that. Now, these are the ones that originally go with them wheels that he has, the blue ones. So they put these ones on here, which is cool. So with these ones that have the enforcer can't take no other rotor than the enforcer rotor that comes on there. That's why these wheels have to have those rotors. So now let's go to these. These ones right here, I went ahead and ordered to match the rim, the same exact pattern that comes on them. And that's why I like these. And these ones actually come with the bolts. So that is a big thumbs up for me. So we're about to go ahead and get it going. Y'all haven't noticed, we went ahead and threw some of them blue washers on there. Got it looking a lot much better. So we're gonna get these wheels on there so we can get it coordinated how we want it to. We got all the red off, so stay tuned, we working. Rotors is up on there. Got the blue popping with the blue washers. It's looking good, big dog. Got the primary over here bussing. Stay tuned, man. We getting it in. Y'all see what's going on, big dog. We about to install that front rotor. You already know what time it is. What's going on, baby? We definitely getting it in. Got this thing looking good. Just wanted to stand out, big dog. That thing look amazing, man. I swear to y'all. This is literally the stuff I love to do. I promise y'all, like, anybody know me know I love making something from nothing to something. And even though the gray and red did look cool, this blue and this other color about to look a lot much better. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in, we making it happen. Y'all definitely see what's going on, man. So without further ado, let's get back to it. So we got that front one bolted up, and we got the back one bolted up. This blue looks so good with these blue washers. Like I told y'all earlier, this is a single disc, meaning it's only one front brake. Just how that bike is, where it shows a lot much more, this one will be the same exact way. So basically, it's gonna look just like this on the bike. And the stopping is just as good. It's 2 brakes. You gotta have your brakes done. I'm gonna make sure that's done, so my boy will be riding nice and smooth. But y'all see what's going on? Just that fast, this thing is looking a lot much better. With the washers on the engine to the wheels. Now let's finally put these wheels up on this bike. Let's get to it. So we got that back rim up on there, looking good. Y'all see what's going on, man? It's looking good.